Hey barbecue fans, welcome back to my channel. If you're on the hunt for the latest tech to boost your backyard barbecue game, then stick around. Today, we're diving into the RFX Wireless Kit from Thermoworks, a cutting-edge tool that's taking grilling and smoking to the next level. In this video, I will walk you through the unboxing, setup, and all the need-to-know details about this wireless probe kit. Plus, we'll see if the setup is as easy as they say. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest and greatest for my channel. If you decide that the RFX Wireless Kit is for you, consider clicking the links in the description. I am an affiliate with Thermoworks, so ordering through these links helps me keep bringing content like this one. All right, let's open up this bad boy and see what's inside. When you order the RFX Wireless Probe Starter Kit, you'll get the RFX Gateway, which is your receiver. Your RFX Meat. This is a wireless meat probe. The Pro Series Air Probe to monitor your barbecue pit temperature. You'll get a great clip to hold your probe. And you'll also have a charging block, power adapter, USB cable, and probe rings. So right off the bat, Thermoworks has equipped you with everything you need for precise and easy barbecue monitoring. Now let's get through some of the features that make this RFX kit a game changer. Let's start off with the RFX Gateway. This is the hub of the system. It has a crazy range of 1,500 feet, so you can move around freely without losing signal. It can also monitor over 50 RFX meat probes at once. This means that if you're monitoring a plethora of meats, all you need is this one monitoring system. It's also Wi-Fi compatible and can connect to a barbecue fan control kit like your Thermoworks Billows, giving you more control over your cooks. Next, we have the RFX Meat Probe. Each meat probe is designed to handle temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and can withstand ambient temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees, making it perfect for smokes and for grilling and searing. A quick 10-minute charge provides up to 50 hours of use, so you'll be set for even longer smoking sessions. Of course, no product is perfect. Let's talk about some pros and cons based on what I found with this RFX kit. Some of the pros. The range is one of the best on the market, meaning you're not tethered to your grill. The battery life is outstanding with a quick charge, so it's ready when you are. It supports multiple probes, up to 50 or more, making it ideal for big cookouts with multiple meats and grilling zones. Now let's talk about some of the cons. This high-tech setup may feel a little like overkill if you're a casual barbecuer, and this premium product is not cheap. However, for serious barbecuers, it's a worthy investment. Now, Thermoworks claims that the setup is simple, so let's put the claim to the test. I'll walk you through the steps here to get the RFX system up and running. So there you have it. The RFX Wireless Kit from Thermoworks is packed with features to make your barbecue experience smarter and more efficient. If you're looking to up your barbecue game and get real-time, accurate temperature control from anywhere in your home, this is a tool for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the description for the links for the RFX Wireless Kit. By purchasing through these links, you're supporting my channel, which helps me continue to bring content like this. Happy barbecuing, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.